रुक चुके हैं नौजवान मगई मेरी जुबान कर ले अमर के ओर पर मगर पंछी का
कुत्ती हरामजादी बड़ी ही कश्ती हो।
और गाइस
यार कुछ नहीं, मेरी जिंदगी में एक नया मोड़ मैंने लिया है।
क्या
मोड़ के ले लिया मैंने। यार आई एम नॉट डूइंग फकिंग कीटो एनीमोर, आई एम डन विद दैट लाइफ।
ओह नाइस
जिंदगी में
Fuck you.
और भी जिंदगी में है नहीं बेंचो, तो इंसान खाना भी ना खाए।
कितने
तो-
दिन लगे ये इंकिशाफ होने में?
यार पहले 2 महीने किया था, लाइक
2 महीने किया था तुमने कीटो?
दिसंबर
नहीं,
जनवरी।
बीच में तूने गुलाब जामुन के वो खाए थे।
वो तो अभी है ना, लाइक दिसंबर जनवरी आई डिड इट, पलवशा डिड इट, और फिर वी ट्रैवल टू दुबई, वापस आए, शादियां थी और फिर लॉकडाउन लग गया। सो वी लाइक करेंगे करेंगे करेंगे, 3 महीने गुजर गए। देन अभी वी डिड इट फॉर लाइक 10 days एंड आई यार जस्ट
Good नहीं है।
कांट। सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू eat healthier, maybe smaller portions, start walking, jogging. पलवशा भी कल से मेरे साथ वॉक कर रही है।
Why don't you do intermittent fasting also?
हाँ वो भी होगा, so that will also be done hopefully.
I
रात
lost a
8
lot of
बजे।
weight doing that. नजर नहीं आएगा, but नहीं रखा।
It's not even about नजर आना यार, like if you're feeling good yourself, that's good enough. मतलब सही है।
ब्रो
I'm not feeling good either.
हमारा थ्रेशोल्ड बहुत लो है
यार,
फील गुड के लिए।
मतलब कीटो, ये जो लास्ट 10 दिन मैंने कीटो किया है ना, वो ऐसे था कि दवाई की तरह। अच्छा ये इतना सा एक मील है कि किस्म का, इसको 3 मिनट में मुंह में डाला, बैठ फिर बिस्तर पे लेट गए। अरे यार अभी वापस मील टाइम हो रहा है, अच्छा जाओ ये दवाई खाओ, फिर वापस लेट। लाइक फक्ड अप लाइफ
You know you're supposed
साइकोलॉजिकली
to
भी।
swallow, right? मुंह में डाला बस।
नहीं वो जितने वहीं से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए ना एंजाइम्स।
Nutrients going into glands.
It was horrible. So we just went, we did some good grocery, अभी good vegetables, fruits वगैरह घर पे खाना वाना
English
बनाए।
speaking cucumber lies the wakira नहीं।
कुकुम्बा।
By the way, people listening, watching, if you believe के हाथों से खाने से खाना बेहतर डाइजेस्ट होता है क्योंकि हाथों में एंजाइम्स हैं,
तो आप खाना खाना छोड़ दें।
अब ना मुंह डाल दें, आप प्लेट के अंदर मुंह डाल दें।
क्योंकि देखें ये आपके मुंह मुबारक में जो एंजाइम्स होते हैं
मुबारक।
ये
खैर,
सोचिए you go get an ice cream and you're like, ice cream खा रहा हूँ मैं।
there are videos of this, right? Like McDonald's drive-through गए।
Yeah, they उल्टा पकड़ के करते हैं।
There's also videos of some shadi in some Pakistani town where people are eating ice cream हाथ से। Horrific videos.
यार देखो मेरे पास डेटा ज्यादा नहीं है।
अच्छा काम की बात। Sarkhail is joining us अपने फोन से।
I'm tired. I don't want to shift ever again. बहुत हो गया।
Is this your first house shift?
Yeah. Like first time I've taken like a huge amount of my like furniture and belongings and shifted to a new belongs that मेरे belongs थे and मैंने कभी नहीं करना आइंदा because
Did you have to get like a mover or did you do it
so
yourself?
I got a mover. Mover was fine. I got a mover and everything. I expected them to be a little bit more professional, even though the company was quite professional. ठीक है, I expected.
Church was कर रहे थे।
I mean, they did everything. They wrapped up everything, but it was just like put everything in the box.
किधर मांगते हैं? इधर मांगते हैं, उधर मांगते हैं।
Living room. It worked. अच्छा, I was supposed to move in on Thursday. Movers came 9 a.m.
What nationality were the movers?
अपने भाई थे यार, क्या करें? अपने भाई थे। Yes, I mean there were some Gujarati and some Gujranwala से भी एक थे।
गुजरावाले से।
Why do you know this? मैं क्या पूछ रहे थे उनसे?
I will explain that to you also because
Kemcho,
Oh.
bhai.
we had gupshup. Yeah, we
Oh,
went.
no.
We reached to the new place.
Hmm.
We reached to the new place. अच्छा हमने एजेंट को कहा एजेंट वाज लाइक सर आप आएंगे सब कुछ क्लीनिंग व्लीनिंग होगी एसी वैसी सर्विस हो गए होंगे सब कुछ भी नहीं हुआ नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नो एसी
पाकिस्तानी है
एजेंट पाकिस्तानी है
इंशाल्लाह सर आप फिक्र ही ना
बेफिक्र हो
करें
जाए,
सर
बेफिक्र हो जाए.
बेफिक्र
अच्छा
हो जाएं
I'm going to tell you a name and the first description you think associated with that name you tell it to me, okay? That's the agent's name, you can censor it off. I mean, no need to censor, fuck it. The agent's name was Mudassir. Now what's the first thing you think of when you think Mudassir?
I'll tell you what
हाँ.
the first thing I think of is Mudassir. यार तुम्हें पता है वो बंदा ईसाई है और तुम उसके साथ खाना खा रहे हो
Where is this from?
This is from a guy I knew in university. उसका नाम मुदस्सिर था.
अच्छा,
he was like,
physical appearance. I'm looking for a physical appearance.
Oh, अच्छा.
Mang,
Motu,
actually Mang.
pot bellied.
Alright, okay, well, you're wrong. I always thought I
Skinny
think
motherfucker.
Mudassir bald guy, and he was bald guy, and because Mudassir Nazar, you know, and थोड़ा सा मुझे उस तरह से हुआ. Anyway, okay. Anyway, nothing was done. No water, no electricity. Cleaning was not done. We were the first tenants in the apartments. Even then, it was dirty with like sand and spiders and stuff.
Wow.
नहीं लगा पहले. अच्छा, हाँ, owner forgot.
Fucking सांप थे वो.
कमरा खोला अंदर ज़ीब्रा.
अरे जुमानजी.
हम तो परेशान ही हो गए.
अच्छा, owner didn't pay the bill. वो बंद हो गया. अच्छा, request डालेंगे सर move in की ADDC में. Okay, we requested apply ये वो. We stayed in a hotel for 2 days because of that.
So it's
And-
EDDC, not Diva.
Yeah, so
Still
Dhabi.
Dhabi, no?
अच्छा नहीं तो दीवा में हम एक दो लोग जानते हैं, right? खैर.
So yeah, fuck it. I don't want to shift again.
Back from the gut, Sarkhel was saying he doesn't want to shift again. This is episode 69, our half-year cutoff mark.
Nice.
Nice. Nice episode. Nice है ये. And I think we properly started video episodes of podcast at episode 49. But अभी June का end है and we've put out 20. I say
Yeah.
solid episodes this year.
Guys, this is essentially a farewell episode. तो हम तीनों को अच्छी तरह आप देख लें.
I think out of those 20 episodes, 3-4 were watchable. क्या ख्याल है? A total.
That's a very optimistic number.
Yeah.
This is going to be very watchable or great content.
Yeah.
Or,
I hate.
yeah.
I hate.
That word you use ironically and it ends up being a part of your
Yeah,
vocabulary.
now it's this is summer.
But again, like people don't know the meaning of ironic and irony anyway.
it's like rain on your wedding day. No, it's not.
Nahin,
That's
it's not.
The song is- the whole song is a lie. Alanis. Anyway, so that's one thing I thought we would do, since it's good to have some sort of schedule. I will
Oh,
run through
Sarkhel is cosplaying Gus Fring.
January. Yeah, so what I was thinking was we'll do a wrap up like a review of all the shit that's happened in 2022 so far. You tell me how vividly you remember that ये भी 2020 में था. ठीक है?
Aurat March.
Was that in 2020? Fuck, ये नहीं था मेरे schedule में. I guess I'm sexist.
Aurat March was like 4 months ago. 3
March,
months
man.
ago. Fuck, man.
It was in March. Yeah, Sarkhel is always
Just
happy.
call out March.
Imagine.
Khair. January.
Uh,
There's some random article I found. I'm not even going to link it. Remember
yeah.
in January when all of Australia was on fire?
Oh,
That was
fuck.
this year. That was this
Oh
year.
my god. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, okay.
Iran
Wow.
Iran ka general Qasim Soleimani was killed this year.
Oh
in
my
that drone.
god.
Remember दुनिया खत्म हो रही थी?
Oh, yeah.
World War 3.
World War Three. World War Three.
Prince Harry, Meghan Markle stepped down in January.
Maybe.
Did they Pakistan कौन आए थे? Royal family.
William.
Was that this year?
Yeah, I think so. Trump ki impeachment trial began in January. Now it seems like it ended 3 years ago. Then end of January, Kobe Bryant died.
Oh.
That feels like a long time. I mean, it feels like a long time ago, but it was like 5 months ago.
Yeah.
Find something on your desk to throw somewhere and say Kobe.
Kobe. Sarkhiel and I made a video several years ago. Of
Yes, we did.
bad
Plug
Kobe.
it in here. Plug it in here.
Yeah. Phir
Yeah.
Elizabeth Warren dropped out in March 11th. Tom Hanks, Rita Wilson got coronavirus.
Oh, huh. Are they alive?
In
Yeah,
Australia.
they got better. In Australia.
So they started the fire as well.
Yeah, Bernie Sanders dropped out. The Pentagon released Kim Jong-un ki to tha end of April. Remember everyone said Kim Jong-un gayab hai, mar gaya.
Yeah,
end of
that's
That
April.
still
happened
happened.
recently. That was April. I thought it was recent.
That was end of April.
shit.
End of April, May
Wow.
also something happened which no one gave a shit about. The Pentagon released videos of UFOs.
Oh, huh.
No,
उसको
because
Zero इज्जत मिली थी उस बात को, like no
actually
one gave a shit.
काफी कुछ मिला था, but it was because all the shit was already leaked before, and it was just
When were
not.
yeah?
Hold on.
When were people going to storm Area 51? Was that last year?
Last year, September 21st, I think. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
New Delhi में riots हुई थी over the CAA thing.
Oh,
in
huh.
February.
Oh, fuck, huh. That was this year.
That was a
Oh,
big thing.
wow.
Then isn't that start last year though, or was it just
The
start
bill
this
was
year?
passed end of last year, and February में were the crazy riots. In May is when murder hornets got famous because the US.
और गायब हो गए खत्म.
No, they're still here. I actually read an article where they're really becoming a big issue for bees because they kill bees.
Yeah.
And American bees, they're Japanese, and American bees have no defense against them. Japan,
Wow.
apparently, what the bees have done is they've evolved new defense mechanisms, and they surround the murder hornet, full cover kar lete hain usko, and they vibrate.
Vibration say.
Yeah, and the murder hornet gets burned somehow.
That's like Pearl Harbor all over again.
There's a thing on that. There was someone posted a meme ke pata nahi early 1900s mein Tokyo Olympics, there's a global pandemic, Tokyo Olympics get cancelled, America is attacked by Pearl Harbor. Again,
Fuck.
there's been a pandemic, the Olympics have been cancelled. People were like, Khair, May 25th is when George Floyd was killed in Minneapolis. It's been
Yeah.
more than a month since.
Yeah. Almost 2 months.
Yeah. Also, the PIA plane crashed. Also, coronavirus.
Yeah.
America में 2.5 million dead now. 2.5 million infected.
Yeah.
Infected.
Yeah.
Not dead. Yeah, dude. So, I don't know, man. Also 20 episodes, Padded Room. I mean, it's up there. I'd say.
Yeah.
I'd say it's up there.
What happened in Pakistan in 2020?
I think Pakistan ki main
Yeah.
news is coronavirus.
Yeah, it's just because.
Yeah.
Yes.
Iran
And the plane
launched,
crash.
Ukraine.
And fake pilot degrees.
Now the fake
Ah,
pilot
that's
degree thing is
like-
happening.
That's like kal parson ka. Yeah.
Yeah.
Apparently, more airlines are grounding Pakistani pilots now. Kuwait Airways.
Qatar Airways,
did
Qatar
that,
Kuwait,
Arch.
yeah.
Yeah.
Vietnam.
Vietnam
में भी
has
हमारे
Pakistani pilots. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they've grounded Pakistani pilots and engineers वगैरह. So yeah, that's
Emirates ने वैसे भी फ्लाइटें बंद कर दी थी शायद पाकिस्तान से.
Yeah, apparently they did because Badr tweeted about it, right?
Yeah.
That he was at the airport and they were like, "Sir, sorry, flight's
बिल्कुल,
cancelled."
he was
बिल्कुल.
in the fucking lounge. Like
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
checked in.
Yeah, last minute
Flight cancel हो
cancellation.
गई. मैंने इस साल हमने दुबई में एक शादी कवर की थी. That seems like such a long time ago.
When was it?
That was 4 months ago. Holy shit. Wow.
Oh, J-Lo and Shakira at the Super Bowl was also this year.
Oh yeah.
That's a long time ago. Tiger King came this year.
Yes, Tiger King.
All the videos of the people, Italians singing from their balconies, playing guitar and stuff. That was this
Dalgona
year.
coffee.
Huh?
Dalgona.
Dalgona coffee.
Dalgona? Coffee was this year. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
everything was
a
quarantine related.
yeah, it's a quarantine thing.
Also, Weekend's album.
Weekend's album came this year. Yeah, there's like a lot of shit that happened, buddy.
Oh, Sushant Singh Rajput
Died
suicide.
this year. Yeah, that's very recent. That's what 2
That's
weeks
very
ago?
recent.
10 days ago.
Kal
Yeah.
ki khabar, by the way, do you guys hear Kal ki khabar about the radiation in Sweden?
I
Nahin.
read somewhere that said that the radiation coming from the outside of Europe outside of Russia makes it seem like kuch harkat hui hai andar.
Yeah, but now yesterday Sweden ki sensors detected some 3 different isotopes that are not very common and are only found as byproducts of a nuclear reaction. So there's some are saying maybe it's a Russian submarine testing some stuff out. Could
Acha.
be, but yeah.
Anyway, so I think what's important to mention is that we nearly hit 1,000 subscribers amongst all of this, which is something I had tweeted a while ago. Okay, I hope the podcast gets to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you everyone for subscribing. Thank you, Irfan Junejo. It must be said. But yeah, man, I think it was a good year. How have you guys been doing? We haven't done one of these in a while. We've only done interviews.
Don't ever ask me that again. I don't know you like that. We never ask this on the podcast. हम हमेशा एक दूसरे की लेते हैं.
Yeah.
Oh, Rizwan talking to someone. Wait. Huh? क्या हो गया?
वो मैं AC कम ठंडा करवा रहा था.
Your AC is voice controlled.
His wife is voice control.
But no, yeah, Sarkhil, honestly, how are you doing?
I'm shitting it. I don't want to.
Rizwan
My
ने
AC
मुंह
is
फेर
not
लिया.
working.
क्या?
रिजवान ने मुंह फेर लिया. मैंने पूछा Sarkhil, how are you doing? Rizwan was like,
Okay, so anyway, I've invested in I'm looking at a monitor right now. It's a 27-inch Asus monitor. So I'm trying to have a gaming setup.
okay.
And
Oh god. Oh, the plate. Acha, I thought crotch. Yeah. Nice. I see.
cucumber.
Health is represented by 4 slices of cucumber. Are they 4?
There are
Multiple, bro.
6.
They're like
no,
yeah.
7.
Nice.
कितने के हैं वो? Like 65 dirhams के 3 है or something. क्या?
Yeah, 65,000 for 3.
हर
what?
चीज पता है दुबई की. Adidas masks.
एक minute. Listen, if a man spends 6K on slides, on Adidas slides,
अभी
तो
तुमने
पैर में पहनते हैं.
अभी तुमने ग्रोसरी की है, कितने की थी वो? We'll censor it. हमें बता दो.
15,000.
ओके, तो मतलब
Which is-
दो जूते
which
तो आ ही
is like-
जाते हैं.
Which is like घर के काफी essentials, like घर की चीजें भी, like toiletries and stuff. So yeah.
तो ग्रोसरी और किसको कहते हैं?
Like उसमें सिर्फ मेरे ठूसने की चीजें नहीं थी.
अभी मैंने ग्रोसरी की या गाड़ी ली है एक और yeah, also something that happened in the first half of this year is something we're all very happy about. Liverpool won the league, and I mean, honestly, Dili khushi.
I guess
Sarkhil
Sarkhil is the
शक्ल लाल
happiest
हो रही
यहाँ पे.
है. Yeah, because you know, bleed red. Asal red तो लिवरपूल ही है. We all know and agree.
Sarkhil
fucking
never
shank ya.
never
I'll
Sarkhil
fucking
never
shank
walked
ya.
alone.
Let's fucking have it. Let's fucking have it, lad. Let's fucking have it.
वो बेचारा कितना पिट रहा था. He kept getting his ass kicked. लेकिन never back down. We all gained weight in the fucking corona crisis.
Oh, that's some weight.
I gained 8 kilos.
I think 5
I've
किलो तो
lost,
बढ़
I've
गए
lost
थे.
4 now though.
अभी like just now.
6 खीरे खा के.
नहीं, हो सकता है. Anything is possible.
Oh,
Guys,
something that's happening right now the Lums and LGS wale harassers all being exposed,
What's that?
which is fucking huge. That
There's some guy who apparently has like 34 people speaking out about his
yeah,
thing.
Lums ke koi hai high society members or something. I'm not sure.
That guy, जो 34 लोगों वाला है, he's in the US. He's the president of वहाँ का कोई Pakistani Students Association.
पाकिस्तानी को जरा सी किसी को पावर मिल जाए फौरन हरामजादे आ जाते फौरन.
Guys, पाकिस्तान में फ्रोजन खानों की एक ब्रांड है जिसका नाम है मोनसलवा.
Yeah.
अगर आप में से मोनसलवा का कोई बंदा है देख रहा है, प्लीज हमें स्पॉन्सर कर दें. और आई एम हैविंग देयर चिकन टिक्का बोटी, इट इज वेरी नाइस, सो आप सब भी ट्राई कर लो.
Wow. We're not paid for this, but we would like to
Yeah.
be.
Yeah.
Speaking of influencing, a couple of influencers got influenced the fuck out. Yeah, I think Rizwan
Yeah.
understands what I'm talking about, but
Yeah.
What happened?
अब देखो यहाँ पे एक इशू ये है कि पलवशा एंड आई हैव फाउंड वर्क इन ऐसी इंडस्ट्री इन पाकिस्तान जहाँ हम पहले किसी को नहीं जानते थे, एंड जनरली जहाँ बोला जाता है कि वास्ता मांगता है घुसने के लिए, बट वी काइंड ऑफ फाउंड गुड वर्क इन दैट. और उसमें वी हैड टू वर्क विद ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल. अब उसमें से कोई इंसान का कभी कोई अजीब सी स्टोरी भी बाहर आ जाए तो मैं बात ही नहीं कर सकता उस बारे में कि यार कहीं इस बंदे ने मुझे काम ना देना हो वापस और पैसा मांगता है.
It's a tough life, when you have to choose between principles and survival.
But then again, like if I had to work with these people in the future, जो भी हैं, maybe if they are horrible people, I'll just not work with them.
Yeah.
But I kind of try to stay away from giving opinions on them online. So yeah.
I think we generally stay clear.
My favorite my favorite phrase from all this that happened, the influencer fuck up, was crackhead energy. Because one of the guys had real crackhead energy.
Wait, who? Oh, अच्छा वो लोग हाँ recently जिन्होंने complaints भी करती थी कि और फिर अच्छा. Yeah.
What is the wine that you think of when you hear the term crackhead energy? Ali, this is your wine test.
Oh no.
Wine test, wine test.
I mean, I don't know why I'm thinking of this, but that guy's not a crackhead, but I'm thinking of It's Wednesday, my dudes. वो वाले uncle हैं crackhead energy who some kid is singing and उसके साथ कोई बहुत ही बुड्ढे uncle बैठे होते हैं. Yeah, that's why he's sitting outside his house.
Mr. Postman.
Mr. Postman.
Yeah. But that's not the one I'm thinking about.
But
The
he's
one I'm
just
thinking about
yeah.
is a little kid who gets a basketball in the face. Yeah! Gets hit in the head twice with a basketball. Like, yeah!
He's like, all मारो मुझे. वो charge हो रहा होता है. Fucking kinetics. Didn't that also happen this year? That couple, or was it last year, who got like कोई cheating के मसले थे, फिर they ended up going to jail because पता नहीं तस्वीरें वो लीक कर रहे थे. Was that this year or was it last year?
वो शहजाद यासी.
Yeah. उसने भी हर किसी को बुला लिया ना controversy के चक्कर में.
Was that this year? That couple जिनका बीच में कोई cheating controversy चल रहा था वो लड़की का, फिर वो दोनों जेल चले गए. Blackmailing other women.
Yes.
That was this year. Wow. So that was 2019 apparently.
But 2020 is still relevant to them because Shahzad Yas managed to be wrong about every statement or
every single thing.
It didn't need to be about him. It needed to be about some fucking fourth, fifth person.
Yeah. I guess uske perspective se 2020 was his year. He,
controversy, bro. Kiss my butt, see my butt. I want to say that I was honestly, genuinely going to do a review of that special. Because मुझे ना, I'm an idiot. किसी की मैं बुराई करता हूँ बहुत सारी फिर वो गायब हो जाता है और रिजवान की वीडियो चली गई. And then I'm like, it's back now. And then I'm like, यार चलो, maybe we're too hard. चलो इसका comedy special आया है. And we'll do a review and he's a comedian, कब से कर रहा है ये वो, और अच्छा ही होगा, and then hopefully कुछ थोड़ी negative energy कम हो
After
जाएगी.
all, we're all about just being nice, so you know,
Yeah.
fair chance
I
to देना था.
I swear to God, I was thinking of doing this, and then group में आ गई video किस्मा बट सीमा बट. I'm like, why? Why?
There were people actually laughing in the crowd, so I guess that's okay then. मतलब comedy is also very subjective.
बंद कर दो
मतलब you
ना,
can be
उस वेन्यू को बाहर से लॉक कर दो और गैस डाल दो अंदर, एक ही दफा में फारिग.
Shazad gas.
Oh God.
Hey, if you hear this, Shadad, I'm not gonna censor your shit, but like, no hard
Bro,
feelings.
we believe in freedom of expression
Yeah.
and the consequences that come with them. So yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, someone posted a clip of the female comedian. Someone we know posted. I'm not gonna say names of the female comedian.
ये paid lobbies वाले लोग जो है ना.
Troll farm. Farhan Vic की तरह.
Troll farm. Fucking that also happened abhi. Farhan Vic.
Wait, we talk about that, but I want to talk about this thing. There's someone posted a video of the female comedian and उसमें jokes की थी that were, I guess, funny and like must have been funny sometime pehle. And someone said like, yeah, it's not funny, you know, and she's working with Shazad Gas. So big comment aa gaya, a woman is doing it, so you're not allowed to criticize her because there are not enough women doing it. Someone
That
said.
doesn't
So
make sense. I mean, if
Just
you're being
because-
a comedian, people are paying money to go and watch you. So you have to be as good as you can. Like, maybe she was, but that's not, you know, कुछ लोगों की talent पे limitations होती हैं, and sometimes things work, sometimes they don't. No
Again,
one's
like,
saying,
to
it
add to
also-
this,
bolo.
yeah, no, to add to this, यही है कि sometimes you can give the same lines and same jokes to a person who has the personality.
yeah,
I don't know, like there's no set rules for this.
it's very
But a
hard
person,
also.
yeah, a person who can just has the timing and the personality doesn't come off as probably malicious or, you know, something that's being done
Yeah,
Yeah.
in a funny way.
yeah.
The same lines and jokes, and they can be funny. I don't know.
And वही अगर आप थोड़ी delivery change कर दें, it can come across as like mean spirited or whatever.
Yeah,
खैर,
yeah.
if she wasn't good that night or generally वो है, but कोई बात नहीं, she's doing it. But ये कोई बात नहीं होती
Wow. Context.
कि ये कोई बात नहीं होती कि just because she's a woman उसकी हम बुराई कर नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
I don't
Let's say
know
the
if
most
that's
hilarious
what
thing
women
from all
want.
of this was that while Shazad Vyas's clip was floating around Twitter about the Kisma but Seema but thing, वो उसकी ट्वीटें आ रही थी कि I've always made original content. मैंने कभी की दो तीन दफा used to be tweeting this.
I
Like,
mean, maybe he started the Kisma but Seema but thing. Like, I've been hearing it for 20 years, but maybe he started. हमें क्या
Yeah.
पता?
Yeah, then you said about what's the other thing that happened?
Shafran
It's like
Burke.
I watched it. Did you guys watch it?
No.
Nahin. I can't give a shit.
You don't have to give a shit. Like you can watch it and be like, what the fuck? Like just you watch Tiger King. You don't
Yeah,
have to feel bad for him.
I stay away from a lot of negative shit, bro. Like,
What's
वैसे
the?
मैं-
चलो you've watched it ना, तो आप दें
I
review.
don't want ये गरीबों के programs.
Rich लोग दिखाओ मुझे. How was it? Our friend made it.
Yeah,
Our
I
friend.
mean, as far as documentaries go, it was good. Okay,
Yeah.
I mean, the subject himself, I have no fucking feelings for him or anything. It just made me realize कि भाई media कितना shit है और लोग like who are fucking doing this kind of shit, social media cells of political parties, all they fucking care about is yeah, put this out. Acha, the way he justified all his bullshit, like all the fake trends and news, is like
Yeah.
if it's for a good cause, I don't care.
But none
It's
of
quite
it,
fake.
none of
That
it
is-
is for a good cause. Even if we
yeah.
allow that, none of it is for a good cause.
But he does enjoy popular support from the masses,
हाँ,
जो कि
तो
उन लोगों को पसंद है. He
उनके
came
पते
out
बहुत
with a response video आज on Twitter के ओ मेरे
Yeah.
बारे में आप लोग बड़ी बातें कर रहे हैं, जो बंदा यहाँ पे है नहीं उसके बारे में आप कुछ भी बकवास कर सकते हैं, आप रुकें. मेरे घर पे कुछ काम वाम चल रहे हैं कुछ शादी वादी के, उसके बाद जब मैं वापस आऊंगा, या that's the
What? फिर क्या होगा?
यार कि मैंने बुलाना आप सबको था मेरी शादी पे, लेकिन ये वायरस चल रहा है, वलीमे पे आप सबको बुलाऊंगा, आप सबको,
Like everyone on Twitter?
yeah, everyone on Twitter. So one day sure, it's okay.
Also, his wife is same fucking.
Yeah. Toxic.
मेरी बात सुनो।
निकाह पे अकाउंट गिफ्ट किया.
मेरी बात सुनो,
200,000 followers.
बहुत कम खवातीन औरतें ट्रोल फार्म्स का हिस्सा हैं, उसको क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करता।
Throwbacks to the throwbacks.
Well done.
Throwback to 5 minutes ago.
आप लोग भूल गए होंगे हमारा जोक.
यार तुम्हारे नए घर में इको काफी होगा मुझे लग रहा है।
Bro,
बिल कम
this
आता
room
है.
I'm sitting in, it's my room. It's like a gaming. It's like a man cave. This is it. This is my room.
Nice. Man कब आएगा?
Bro, the best man cave तुम्हारे लिए ये है कि कुछ भी नहीं करना है इसमें, सारे डब्बे ऐसे ही रहने दो। Don't set it up. Just don't set it up. ऐसे ही एक कुर्सी रखो।
हाँ, ग्रीन स्क्रीन लगा के पीछे बाग लगा दो, बागात. Okay.
क्या हुआ?
मुझे ये बताओ, out of all the interviews we've done,
Yeah.
सबसे ज्यादा enjoys आपने किस में लिए?
Oh, definitely Daily Mirror.
Daily Mirror.
Yeah, Daily Mirror.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah. I like talking to Shahzad also. TBH. शहजाद भी मजे का था.
शहजाद कौन है? अच्छा, द बच्चा, अच्छा.
Yeah.
The bachcha, not the Shahzad Gas.
Not gas. Yeah, I think that was a good series, Shahzad and Momina.
देखिए वैसे तो हमें सारे हमारे इंटरव्यूज बहुत पसंद आए और शुक्र है आप
कोई
सारे आए.
गेस्ट किसी से बेहतर नहीं होता.
देखिए,
But I think the momentum in viewers and subs started from fucking apna Ali Chaudhary. Like,
yeah.
like I know Ali Chaudhary is like famous, but itne log itni जोर
Yeah,
से
yeah.
आए देखने. Like,
That was a lovely conversation.
Yeah.
मजा आया था. It was nice. But
We-
Daily Mirror, I don't know, man. That
we'll
I
have
had
him
very
back.
good feels while I seen
Feels
that.
thieves, man. When he was like relating shit, you know.
Yeah.
That was nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, आप लोग इस पे क्लिक करें Daily Mirror वापस देखने के लिए.
I'll have to put that in. नीचे, बस नीचे
Wait.
description में.
Click here and here and here and here and here. Now you do all those.
Video pause हो जाएगी. आप मत click करें. And also Zishan Pervez, we spoke to Zishan Pervez. That was nice.
That was very cool.
That was
pretty,
nice. That was
pretty
lovely.
big for you also, you know. Well done to you, I guess.
He's
Yeah,
very nice.
I loved how nice he was and how
Yeah.
down to earth. बड़ा like lovely guy.
Shout out to
Top guy.
नादिर ने बहुत सारी रिसर्च की हुई थी पहले से, which I full use कर ली मैंने.
Thank you, Nadir.
Thank you, Nadir. Also, I wish we were doing this new recording setup और हमारी शक्लें इतनी shit ना होती. Fucking, I was so pissed at. I mean, I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to get like really pissed at our video qualities for those 3-4 interviews जो टटी
Yeah.
quality में हमने सारी की हैं. Some asshole bastard also commented on one of our videos on English के पता
क्या?
नहीं, something about why we're talking in English. I don't know, मैंने comment delete कर दिया. I was like, fuck it, I don't give a shit.
नहीं तो मतलब किस
What
में
was it
बात
though?
करें?
I forgot.
यही 2-3 जबानें मुझे आती हैं, उर्दू, हिंदी. हाँ, ऐसे ही लिखते हैं ना हम सीवी पे.
Arabic, basic.
Arabic, read and write.
Arabic.
I know 2 languages and I can't speak either of them right.
Yes, this is true. Between them, Sarkhel maybe knows one language. मिल मिला के.
Rakhil, what is your तुम्हारा सही जबान कौन सी है? Like not Urdu but like do you
तुम्हारा
speak
सही
This is
जबान
like-
कौन सी है? What a question.
तुमको कौन सा चाहिए?
तुम बोलो. Some people sent us questions also. Just BT dubs.
What?
Yeah, people.
For
sent us
this
questions.
episode?
Yeah.
Wow. आप में से कोई लाहौर में ये सुन रहा है मुझे कमेंट्स में बता सकते हैं कि कोई ऐसा बार्बर है जो घर आके बाल काट जाए लेकिन सही
Chicken.
स्प्रे व्रे में उस पे मारूं तो वो बुरा ना मनाए.
बार्बर पे तुम स्प्रे मारोगे?
Like, you know.
अच्छा जी, Bushra is asking just questions. When will Coronavirus World Tour? Oh, we did the Coronavirus World Tour. When will Coronavirus World Tour Part 2 be out? I think the irada was के जब खत्म हो जाएगा, लेकिन खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा coronavirus.
यार मेरे ख्याल से we should do it जब जो गेस्ट थे उस वर्ल्ड टूर पे, उनमें से जब भी किसी एक को वायरस हो जाएगा, तब I think we should do like
Did any of them?
second.
One of them, his dad got it.
Oh shit, नहीं.
Yeah, he's fine now. बाकी
नहीं, मैं मजाक कर रहा था इससे.
नहीं अब हम लगाएंगे, मैं उनके घर टीके लगाएंगे उनके टीके. Dijing is asking, when are you guys having samosa ice cream? Dijing is coming to Pakistan.
Dijing, हाँ, he did mention he's coming to Islamabad कोई 10 दिन बाद or something. So yeah.
Someone's asking for Jin Stories Part 6 or 7. Yeah, we'll look into it. Are you also going to leave Twitter? I know you can't do that वरना आपकी सांसें नहीं आनी. Sayyid Ikrash Ahmad. Firstly, what sort of name is this? What is Ikrash? I have never
आपके माँ
heard.
बाप से बात करेंगे.
I have never heard the name Ikrash. अब कोई ले आएगा कि असल में कुरान के इस पेज पे जाके ये वाली याद. No, give me an established name. Otherwise, I don't talk to you. समझ में आई? और तुम्हारे उस पे लिखा हुआ
Established
है.
name like पृथ्वीराज चौहान or something. ऐसा नाम रखो.
Yeah. No, we're not going to leave Twitter. We're fucking.
Why would we leave Twitter?
Ali did this once and he regrets it.
No, I'm very happy because when I came back, मैंने clean up जरा किया था and काफी refresh हो गया था. I mean, Twitter का मसला है, there's like so much. आजकल तो वैसे भी काफी हालात खराब हैं with there's a lot of racism के बारे में stories and a lot of coronavirus stories. It's very serious. We joined Twitter for हंसी मजाक, but yeah. Jazib Ali is asking, आपकी यहाँ? Instead of आपकी यहाँ, he has made one word. APKIYAN. आपकी यहाँ?
क्या?
आपकी यहाँ लाइट जाती है? Alright, buddy.
हमारी क्या जाती है?
सरखेल ने बताया था कि इसके यहाँ इसकी यहाँ बिल नहीं दिया हुआ था and लाइट नहीं थी. डबलिन में भी जाती है लाइट. Yes, but that's only when they're working on something.
क्या मुझे भी बताना जरूरी है लाहौर में?
जाज़िब अली के हम घर जाके ना जो करंट लगाएंगे. Sarkhel's friend Bromair asked a question, how to get so big on Instagram, छोटे बड़े letters में.
Bro, जब पता चले तो मुझे बता देना.
And I think Bromair has a photography account. So I would say one of the ways to get big is to put the account in a way that it can be clicked on. Because in your bio, you've just written it and it's not a link. So, tip for you, bro, from one photographer to whoever you are.
Yeah.
Bro, मेरा बड़ा fan है सरखेल का. And
Hey, big up, bro, man.
अल्लाह इनको जिंदगी दे और सलामत रखे और make dua cancel. Something like the Moth podcast. Someone, Nofil, was asking something like the Moth podcast. I didn't know what that was, but apparently that's another podcast that does like serious, spooky stories. I was पहले मैं सोच रहा था कि इसने मौत गलत लिख लिया ना, MAUTU, like MOTH.
लेकिन हमसे क्यों लोग हॉरर स्टोरीज और जिन स्टोरीज कराना चाह रहे हैं? द बेस्ट जिन स्टोरीज पॉडकास्ट इज जुनेद अकरम वाला.
Motherfucker, go fuck yourself. अच्छा हाँ, this is like
कोई पता नहीं कौन आता है, कोई डॉक्टर शोएब, कोई क्या?
Who says he's not a doctor? It's on his profile.
क्या नाम है उसका? डॉक्टर समथिंग, आई डोंट नो.
So doctor is
big up, bro. Good for you.
Yeah, shout out. If you go to his profile, the first thing it says is not a medical doctor. I don't think he's any sort of doctor. But I don't know. It's just a name, a laqab जो उन्होंने अपने लिए दिया है.
One of the worst things that happened to me personally this year was that I ended up in a video with Junaid Akram, so that was horrible for me.
Oh,
I would like
yeah.
I would like a few seconds of silence would be nice right now.
Yeah, let's do that now.
That's long enough.
Alright, that's
So,
fine. Yeah. Don't ever do that again, you mother.
क्या नाम था उन बच्चों का यार जिनके पॉड पे हम गए थे? What's their podcast called? What is it? कुछ कहो. Okay.
The room.
सुन लो.
Yeah.
सको तो
But yeah, shout out to Good Go guys. They invited us
Yeah,
on their
they're
podcast.
cool. They're
Oh, by
good
the way,
kids.
someone else also wanted us to go on his podcast, but I forgot. मैंने जवाब नहीं दिया उसको, but अभी हम दे देंगे whenever you guys are free. And lots of people doing podcasts in Pakistan now. जब से
It's a good thing,
coronavirus शुरू
yeah.
हुआ है, which is good. मार्केट बढ़ रही है और
Yeah.
obviously गवर्नमेंट को opportunities देनी चाहिए. और
बिल्कुल ऐसा होना चाहिए
होना
और
चाहिए. हम बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं इधर आए हुए हैं. मौसम हुआ हुआ है. I think
देखिए बेस्ट तो हम ही रहेंगे आगे you know
the thing is हमने सबसे पहले अपनी प्रोफाइल में डाल दिया था पाकिस्तान's best podcast.
exactly so now nobody can
Yeah, everyone is like second best, third best. This is how it's चलता है.
यार मुझे डर लगता है कि inshallah one day we get so big and have so much clout and that one day we will be that meme which says are we the baddies, because anyone who's big and huge and famous and has clout is like automatically you hate that person.
Yeah.
And I fucking hate anyone who has so much clout.
No.
Eventually are we the baddies, bro?
That
We'll be
is-
the baddies.
That is
Saying
100% true.
we're gonna turn into Lily Superwoman.
Listen, bro, there is
Yeah.
one female host. There is one female host.
नहीं कह सकते आप बुरा कुछ. वो but no, it's true. Once you start like I noticed that when we got like थोड़े से 700-800 subscribers, then that guy foreign came in ना English में क्यों बात कर रहे हो that motherfucker. So it's true. We will get hate. Inshallah, we get into a position where people hate us just for who we are, not for something we've done. May our past crimes never be revealed.
Yeah, वैसे कितना मजा है कि like Dwayne Johnson on our podcast और शाहरुख खान.
Hey.
ये तुम ड्वेन जॉनसन की नकल उतार रहे हो या शाहरुख खान?
Kevin Hart. This is Kevin Hart actually.
Because both of them do that motherfucking shit. Yeah, khair. Black Lives Matter, guys.
Yep.
In America only, not in Pakistan. वहाँ वो काले कहते हैं हम उनको. तो continue
Yeah.
with that shit.
Habshi बोलते हैं हम.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, we have Habshi halwa for fuck's sake.
Yeah. तो फिर what are they complaining about?
Yeah, we are like Black Lives Eaters. Fuck that.
Can you guys shut up? I want to practice my apology video right now.
What?
But I'm gonna have to eventually because fucking yeah. Speaking of apology video, someone fucking exposed Shane Dawson again.
Yeah.
Fucking Shane
Like
Dawson
for
has.
fucking
When
yeah,
has he never?
and like
When has he not been super creepy?
so apparently the Fine Bros and Shane Dawson had a puppet show on YouTube, and the puppet was supposed to be an 8-year-old girl, and she was fucking sexualized and hitting on like anything like you can think of pedophilia related. It happened
Yeah.
on that show, and they
And
found-
what was the explanation? Kya, oh, it's a joke.
Your times were different. Fuck off.
What?
Pedophilia was not fucking.
Times were different. 5 years ago, who was Shane Dawson? इतना तो कोई time में नहीं फर्क है.
What, man?
Times were different, motherfuckers.
Yeah.
But yeah, once again, I never liked Shane Dawson. So in this
Yeah,
moment,
fuck that guy.
in
Yeah,
this moment,
right again.
right again.
100% record.
हमसे पूछ लिया करो. एक दिन
Bro,
हमारी
something else happened very recently. Unilever Pakistan are changing the name of Fair and Lovely
yeah
to be more
just right.
Yeah. I don't know how that is even woke or makes any sense. I don't know.
They're
man.
still
Like,
gonna sell it because लोगों
Yeah.
से तो नहीं बदलना ना. If you've been conditioned to hate dark skin for generations,
Yeah.
you're just not gonna say I'm getting Fair and Lovely. You're just
But
gonna
I don't get it. Like cigarettes का नाम मिसवाक रख दो तो क्या लोग मुंह में तो डालेंगे लेकिन उसका असर में फर्क नहीं होगा. Like, come on.
No, it's just literally just a branding change, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
I mean, the right move would be to stop selling it.
yeah,
They won't do that.
do that. But
Yeah.
वहाँ पैसों में फर्क पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
so many.
It's a huge market. South Asian market is huge for this, and
Yeah,
they will
it's
never.
huge. It's huge for this thing.
It's probably their bread and butter. Like, what other products sell as much?
What does Unilever
like-
make? They make like shampoos and shit, right?
Shampoos and like fucking. Is it? No, that's someone else. No.
Johnson and Johnson.
See, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. There was another food-related brand UAE में अभी recently. They did a campaign के हमारे packaging and ad campaigns generally were focused on women doing food duties at home, you know, cooking and stuff. So they are changing that, making it gender neutral to an extent के उनके पैकेजिंग पे अब जैसे सिर्फ औरतें नहीं बनी होंगी कि खाना बना रही हैं, या एड्स में सिर्फ वो नहीं होगा. So that makes sense कि ठीक है, they're selling the same thing,
but it's also not as problematic a subject, although I dislike the word problematic a lot.
Yeah.
But Fair and Lovely, you know, just call it Lovely. Just Lovely.
Detergents, by the way, is one detergent still do that, right? Detergent companies still only have exclusively women.
And Wasim Akram.
Oh God. It is always a male savior who comes to these women. के आपको नहीं पता, मैंने जिंदगी में टट्टी नहीं धोई.
इस्तेमाल कर ये इस्तेमाल कर.
Exactly, मैंने टट्टी भी नहीं धोई जिंदगी में, लेकिन आप औरतों को क्या पता? ये
इससे हमारे दाग हो जाएंगे. Not out. Oh no, that's the गंदी सी tagline. Coke Studio, by the way. We're nearly at an hour. Fucking Coke Studio का YouTube जो है, Pakistani Coke Studio. For the past week, they've been live streaming concerts by Western artists like Tinashe and recently Katy Perry and Lion Babe. Live streaming. Why? I thought it was like some global Coke Studio, but it's only on ours. I guess because it has like 9 million.
Pakistan said all lives matter.
They literally said all lives matter. And comments में तो Katy Perry perform with Tatti Petrol light आ गई Supreme Court. Yeah, it's all Pakistanis. Only Pakistanis subscribe to it. क्या सोच रही हो Katy Perry?
Another thing, because you talked about
his clothes. Sorry.
You talked about foreign musicians. So there was another issue highlighted Twitter पे, like last week. Somebody was tweeting that we should not call white people gore because it's offensive. And
if you love the gore so much, what is you jacket with the one?
I don't know, man. Like, are they being persecuted by being called gore?
Yeah, who's being persecuted? Tom Segura has an entire bit on this from his second last comedy special. Okay, you can call black people a few words which have direct relation to their troubled past. You can call white people anything and they do not care because none of it really has any historical value with it.
Exactly.
So, yeah, it's not the same. You don't call Pakistanis Paki because it was a racist term used in the UK. You don't call black people the N-word because it was used to refer to only slaves. When they were like a commodity, literally. You don't call Chinese people, Asian people that one because it was always they were lesser people in society and these terms were used in a bad way. Where have white people been lesser? Where? When? Kabhi?
Yeah.
Even if you're not white, you are fair. That makes you better.
Yeah. We've all been guilty of like complexionism somewhere or the other.
Yeah. I felt really guilty when I used to go to Karachi for visits. Look, I didn't do this, all right? My distributor, the guy who made that ShawnMichael.com
joke. We're calling it a joke.
He fucking call people, kya kar rahe tu ShawnMichael.com. So I would travel to Karachi like every 2-3 months and I'd had to visit customers and distributors. And जहाँ उसको एंट्री नहीं मिलती ना, वो सिगरेट करके ये देखो गोरा बैठा हुआ है, गोरा है दुबई से, मीटिंग करवा दो यार. And every single time I'd be like, oh यार ये ना करो, ये ना, सर आप चुप हो जाए प्लीज, मैं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है.
सर मैं आपके behalf पे discrimination कर रहा हूँ, आप मत रोकिए मुझे।
सर कोई मनी ट्रेल नहीं है आपके पास, ये वापस नहीं आएगी।
चलो कोई नहीं, खैर the purpose of this
Anyway, this is my apology video. I'm sorry I was a part of this.
तुम no I acknowledge.
I have made a severe and constant lapse in judgment.
Fucking take this opportunity to learn and grow. एक तो this learning and listening bullshit is so stupid. Like where the fuck were you पिछले 80 साल से?
That video that the celebrities made. Yeah, I am responsible for the video.
I am responsible.
So stupid.
For all my actions.
Yeah.
I can never do this shit, bro.
रिजवान को डेयर पोलियो है। 1.5 पोलियो।
Fuck.
आपकी सिलेक्शन हो गई है।
यार 2020 में ये तो नहीं हुआ, but I just want to like talk about and appreciate Babar Azam. Thank you for being in the Pakistan team. We fucking love Babar Azam because those cover drives, bro.
Also Okay, we're ending this episode. घंटा हो गया हमें.
What? Why? अभी तो मजा आना शुरू हुआ. ये क्या शेज़ान की बोतल है? नहीं, अभी
में घंटा ला देते हैं।
We're going to be taking a break for the month of July because मैं थक गया हूँ. Podcast मेरे thoughts इस बारे में ये हैं कि मैं थक गया हूँ.
Thoughts on July.
ओए यार.
What was I saying? Yeah, so we're going to take a break and we're going to try out some new stuff, and we'll be back hopefully sometime in August.
What new things are we doing? और हम क्या करेंगे वापस आके? I don't know.
Bro, just exploring new.
Shower every 2 days at least.
Yeah, fucking A few days ago we had a conversation in our group और हमने realized
कि हम सारे गंदे मैले
हमारे वजन बढ़ गए हैं, हमने नहाना छोड़ दिया. We don't give a
फायदा
shit.
क्या है? किसको मिलना है? बीवियां हमारी हमें सूंघने से इनकार करती हैं और बाकी कोई क्या किसके लिए नहाना धोना क्या?
बस अब मौत से पहले ही होगा आखिरी को गुस्ल. कैंसिल करो इन सबको यार, ये कैंसिल करो इनको. But we'll be back hopefully sometime in August. We're not sure, but we're working on something.
I don't know. I want to make some fun videos like जो हम अपने शहरों में बनाएं and इसी YouTube channel पे डालें.
Cricket season is starting soon.
Cricket season is starting.
Is it?
Might you want change of pace? Who knows?
Bro, I would love to. I would love to be there.
If you don't have a problem with accents, it's okay. You can come.
नहीं, I don't mind it as long as AZ Khwaja is there to balance it.
will balance everything. Balance.
मैंने ये नहीं कहा. Bro, AZ Khwaja का लेकिन वो जो recurring bit जो मुझे बड़ा पसंद है ना, वो is how dare you?
Mr. Khuja.
That's good.
I love AZ Khwaja, so shout out.
His मुसाद ने किया था ना when we did the change of pace thing. पता नहीं कोई random बंदे की बात हुई, he's like, yeah, so shout out. What?
Bro, AZ Khwaja was one of the 2 people on my birthday last year, so that's
the other one was you?
that's the other one was Sarkhel. हाँ मैं भी था. So,
I organized this thing, by the way.
Nice. Good.
Why didn't we take any photos with AZ Khwaja every birthday? I don't know.
Oh, you don't?
We were pressed.
Yeah, so that's it. We're taking a break. We'll be back at some point.
1 मिनट, सॉरी, जाने से पहले आई जस्ट नोटिस सरखेल तुम्हारा सारा कुछ अभी मूव हुआ है, सब पैक्ड है, लेकिन ये रंग बिरंगी बत्ती तुमने निकाल ली और लगा ली है. मतलब
this. Yeah, I had to do this for the podcast because I needed some light on my face. That's why.
Acha,
Because there was a window behind
Good
me,
job.
so that's why I put this thing to cover the light coming from
Wow.
the
Games. Yeah.
games.
Are you? Oh, I'm learning how to play the guitar. Nadir's teaching me.
Yeah. I'm learning how to play the guitar. Rizwan is teaching me.
Sarkhail.
I'm learning how to play the guitar.
Oh.
Do the thing, by the way. I saw Shahzad did Shahzad Show wala. He has a keyboard and उसमें सारे keys पे notes लिखे हुए हैं.
Yeah.
That was a common sense thing.
That.
Yeah. But okay. Challenge Rizwan's gonna play us out, but also Sikandar ka Mandir. TPR Pod group account.
आज दिल दुखा है.
That's Rizwan. I think this will turn out fine. That's Rizwan. Finally, our positions are fixed, and I can say it.
No.
That's Rizwan.
Really?
And that's Sarkhail. Yes.
It's like this for me.
Yeah, who cares? I'm recording it. मतलब, who gives a shit? Okay जी. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Fuck off.